Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to set up auto response in your Microsoft Outlook apps and Microsoft web apps. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be going on vacation and you want if someone sending you email that particular time, and they know you are in vacation and you're going to reach them later on. So in order to do that, first of all I'm going to share with you how you can set up auto response in your Microsoft Outlook apps. In order to do that, I'm going to open my Microsoft Outlook apps, and now I am going, if you want to turn on the auto response, you need to click this file icon. After that, you need to click here automatic replies. After click over automatic replies, by default it might be do not send automatic replies. If you want to turn on automatic replies, you need to click here send on automatic replies, and if you want to send or turn on automatic replies from today to that blah blah particular time, you can simply choose the time. For example, I would like to set auto response from date 1 August to end time is 5 August this time, so that time. And here is the message that I wrote here: hi, this is Abdurrahim. I will be on vacation on 1 August to 10 August. Let me make here 5 August, and then let me make here okay. So now if I go back, and then you will notice that in your Outlook it's going to be a warning message like your automatic response has turned on. If you decide to turn off, you can simply click over there. So in this particular time, if someone sending you email, they're going to receive auto response. Same things if you are using Microsoft web. Let me open the Microsoft web and let me open Outlook, and let me go in outlook.live.com. You might be not using Microsoft Outlook apps. You might be using web versions. So how you can turn on or off auto response. In order to do that, my one currently turn on because I had turned on in Microsoft Outlook app. So when you turn on here, if it is the same account, that also going to be turned on there. Let me make it turn off, and then let me share it to you from begin how you can turn on in web place. For that, you need to click this gear icon, and then there is a two way you can just simply search here to turn on automatic response, or you can go scroll all the way down by view all Outlook setting. For example, let me go jump over with a quick. If you want to turn on or go over auto response, you have to just type here AUTO, which is auto, and then you're going to find here something say automatic replies. Now here, if you want to turn on automatic replies, just simply turn on automatic replies and then choose the time, particular time from this time to that time, and type the message you want. Also, if you want to let send replay only to contact, you can choose, or if you want to any person if sending you email this particular time, they're going to receive auto response, you can just simply do that. If you want to done auto response email, just make here save. So now you can see I have successfully turned on auto response in webmail. If you decide to turn off webmail auto response, you need to click this gear icon, scroll all the way down, and you're going to find here view all Outlook setting. After click over there, by default it's going to be open mail. Obviously you have to click on mail. In the right side you're going to find here auto replies. Now if you decide to turn off auto replies, you just need to turn off that and then click here save. So within this way, if you want to turn on auto response in your Microsoft Outlook app, or if you're using outlook.live.com web, you can easily follow with this trick. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.